Stream. There are so many ways to earn, more than 6 or 7, but at least the simplest way, once you be sure every single day you do. So this is my Stream account. You can see I already have a 13.7 0 naira here. That's collaboration earnings, and this one is total stream income. This one is also different. This, you start stream by with 12,000 naira for those in Nigeria. So we see $1 is 1,000 naira. So when you see $12, it means 12,000 naira. So that's, you pay 12,000 naira to buy a stream pass while registering. So the way the system was, once you join, you are giving back that money as a welcome bonus. But what you see up here, 13.7, is my main re-earning based on activities. So one of the activities you carry out, you can see me scrolling down, is where you have live stream collaboration. If you watch that video, if you engage in live stream, you are going to earn 5 point something. Let me just try use it and let's see. And then let's just try this. And that one is also pin interest in just either you download or you just share in one of the social media. But let's do this one first, the live stream stuff. Let me show you how it works. I may not make this video so longer, but my interest is to so this is the 2 times I watched. I missed yesterday on. I might decide to get into this particular live stream, this speller. So I click on follow first. So you're going to see the live stream. So once you are watching this live stream and you get to a point where you watch it, may be a 4 minutes live stream, but once you watch up to half minute, up to maybe just watch. Once you get to a point where the system wants you to end, you see it on. Okay, this is 2.42. So the system will tell you have end. So you can stop the video. Just watch. So if you're watching, you get to a point, or since it's a very short video, you may allow the, okay, yes, he has written, look at how the word ends. So I can stop this video now, because I've already ended the word. Just watch. Let's quickly check back my ending. Now you're going to see that I've ended. Let me go back to dashboard. You will see that 13 point something is going to be more than that. Now you see it. What you have here now is 19.40. So that money has been added, and my share progress is increasing. I can still try to earn more and more. I can do this explore and collaborate, and so many of them. I'm not going to do that. So if you click on it, that's why those ones are very easy. So this is how to earn from Stream Pass. I tell you, there are up to 6 or so. They're the one you listen to music, like you watch live video. That's the one you also watch just video, maybe on YouTube. That's the one you now share. This is how you earn, and it's crazy. But you're going to start with 12,000 naira. Nigeria is open to everyone across the globe. So when you are signing up, you know what? So if you are interested, as you are seeing me, this is just one of the videos. We have videos on how to sign up. If you don't know how to sign up, you cannot do it. So definitely, if you want to sign up, let me know, because you need a Stream Pass. When you sign up without the Stream Pass, the restriction cannot go through. So how to get all of those things? That's why in most cases you work with a trusted upline person who will not get you all of these things. If not on your own, you may not be able to register. And there are other information I need to give you as long as Stream is concerned. If you go to any group where they are doing 60 people are earning money, earning millions, but it's not automatic. There are things you need to do if you are going to earn all those things and also withdraw them. So, but at least this is it. So if you are interested, you are watching this video and you really want to earn from Stream Africa, then want to be part of it, contact me. I'm going to show you. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.